Hello and welcome to another Vanners collaboration. This video is part of a playlist and we'll put links down in the description below and a card up on the screen somewhere. Today we're at Steart Marshes, which is in Somerset. It's out along the A39 going towards Minehead. The theme of the video is wildlife you can see from your motorhome, but we felt as our motorhome is actually parked up close by, this was going to be a little trip out in the car to come and visit this nature reserve.
Steart Marshes Working Wetlands, providing flood defence for local homes and businesses, showcasing productive farmland and home to a thriving nature reserve. It proves we can fight climate change by working with nature. Hundreds of hectares of salt marsh and freshwater wetlands buffer homes and businesses from rising sea levels and provide a habitat for wetland wildlife and plant life.
And today we're going to be probably bird spotting. Now, I've never really done this before, so hoping to see something other than a duck or a seagull.
We've got some boards around here that actually show what species of birds have been spotted recently, so that's quite nice to see what's actually out and about at the moment. Let's have a look.
Okay.
We found there to be plenty of parking and it's based on an honesty system. The suggested donation is £3 and they accept cash and contactless payments.
I think so far I'm at the level of, yup, it's a bird.
It's got wings, it's got two legs and a beak. I'm slightly better than that, but I wouldn't profess to be anything other than a beginner.
I know there's one guaranteed place to spot some nice birds.
Nightclub?
I can give you the initials. It's KFC.
Right, come on, the sun's breaking out. Let's go and have a look and see what we can see. Wetlands, where land and water meet, attract more wildlife than almost anywhere else on the planet. They are places to relax, be inspired and feel at one with the world around you.
You never know what you might spot in a place like this. I have to say the facilities in this nature reserve are quite good. Everything is well signposted and labelled with stickers, so you know exactly where you are. It's wheelchair friendly. You can ride bikes down here.
A murmuration is named after the low murmuring sound made by the wings of thousands of birds flying together. Lapwings are seen in flocks in winter. In flight, birds often twist and turn in unison, swooping, diving and swirling into spheres, planes and waves, alternately revealing the gleaming white underparts, then the dark upper parts.
Hide. Sorry.
Here are some photos of what we spotted on our day at Steart Marshes. We've identified them to the best of our ability, along with much consultation with our British Birds Pocket Guide and our Collins life-size bird books. The grey heron. Single birds or small numbers, easy to see in almost any wetland area. Often at the margins, standing still or wading slowly, neck outstretched, ready to take a fish with a rapid lunge. When resting, stands hunched on the ground nearby. The northern shoveler, known simply in Britain as the shoveler, is a common and widespread duck. Shovelers feed by sweeping their large flat bills back and forth through the water, filtering out small invertebrates, plant seeds and other plant matter. The Eurasian wigeon is a dabbling bird and is a bird of the open wetlands such as wet grasslands or marshes with some taller vegetation, and usually feeds by dabbling for plant food or grazing, which it does very readily. It nests on the ground near water and under cover. The lapwing is a ground nesting bird with a shrill cry and a distinctive flight. Lapwings eat insects, worms, spiders, seeds and grains. The Eurasian teal, common teal or Eurasian green-winged teal, is a common and widespread duck that breeds in temperate Euro-Siberia and migrates south in the winter. The Eurasian teal is often called simply the teal, due to being the only one of these small dabbling ducks in much of its range. The bird gives its name to the blue-green colour, teal. Somerset is home to several species of deer, including roe deer, red deer and fallow deer. From our research, we believe this to be a roe deer, the most common deer in the UK. Roe deer are reddish-brown in colour and about the size of a goat. If you noticed any birds that we didn't, please let us know in the comments.
Well, that was that. You know, we spent some time here in this Quantock hide, talking quite softly because there's still people inside. We kind of saw a whole lot of ducks and things.
We saw a grey heron.
Yep.
But only because someone pointed out there was a merlin?
A merlin, yeah.
And I thought that was it until I looked at the pictures.
Just nod and smile, yeah.
So we are going to have to check the footage against our bird spotting books back here.
Yeah.
Like we'll show you what we've seen.
I think that'll be the first time that's been open for a while.
Yeah, there may be a bit of dust. But actually it was really very, very interesting. And we saw a deer.
Yeah.
Now we wish we had a £2,000 lens to put on the end of our camera though.
Yes.
So hopefully we've got some good footage.
Yes. Thanks for watching, and just remember, look out for the other videos down in the description below or in the card, which we'll stick on the screen somewhere.
See you next month.
Bye.